Sir, sino po sila, sir?
Hello, my name is Paulo Berzon. I'm one of the product specialists here at BYD.
BYD. Okay, sir, pag na natin patatagal ito, boss, anong kotse itong nandito natin, boss?
Alright, here, bababa natin kasi nandito yung pangalan. We call it the BYD Seagull.
Okay.
So, it's our subcompact or ito yung pinaka-compact natin na hatchback. Mini hatchback natin. So, this one is a four-seater. It designed as a four-seater kasi apat lang yung seatbelt, but as you can see inside, it's very wide. Kasi wala na siyang transmission, meaning it's very flat yung floor niya. And we have a deep luggage compartment over here. And kung makikita natin doon sa loob yung design, mamaya pagpasok natin, it's very sleek design. So, why Seagull? Kasi it's very ocean vibe siya. So, Ocean Series ang tawag natin sa kanya. Kaya kung makikita mo, yung mga design doon is very wavy. So,
Yun yung ano niya, no? Yun yung dating niya, no? Sige, check natin yung
boss. As you can see here, very sleek design. Ang liit na lang ng cluster unit natin. So, the seat, kung mapapansin ninyo, it's very sporty. Hindi mo na kailangan customize ng seat kasi racing seat na siya. We also have here levitating center console. Kung mapapansin mo, levitate siya. So, naka-levitate. Para ka na lang naglagay ng controller na phone dito. So, yan. So, very siya. We have a wireless phone charging over here. Yung bubuksan natin siya, rotatable din yung screen natin. Let's try to open it. Si BYD is known for a rotating screen function. So, how does it work? Just press this one, then your
grabe,
ito. So, yung pinaka-infotainment screen natin nag-rotate siya. You can also rotate it via voice command. So, may voice command din siya. So, for as low as 898,000, may voice command ka na, you have a futuristic bar over here. Itong aring rotating screen. Not only for this one as a rotating screen, this one can also provide you a karaoke. So we have an entertainment over here. So we have a mic na nabibili. So since wala yung mic natin ngayon, but yeah, we have a karaoke over here. Kailangan lang connected siya sa internet.
Okay.
So just like, think of it like a tablet on car. So we have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything na nakikita ninyo sa tablet nandito.
Tablet? Boss, yung tablet na ba yan? Natatanggal ba siya?
Hindi po, hindi.
Hindi ba?
Hindi. Pero narorotate siya.
Narorotate, no?
Narorotate siya.
Ayan,
So, kita nyo? Hindi lang yan, pwede ka rin mag-download of course dito ng YouTube. Since hindi siya nakakonect sa internet. But yeah, you can download YouTube over here.
Lahat
Also
nandito na rin.
Zoom meeting sa mga nalilit na mag-Zoom meeting. Pwede ka rin mag-Zoom meeting.
Okay. Well, sir, grabe, napakaganda ng BYD
Design.
Okay.
Makikita mo. Ito yung ano yung sir, shifter niya. Wala nang shifter dito na
Anong shifter din talaga, no?
drive, andito na siya. So, up, down, up, down.
Pindot na lang talaga, no?
Yes.
Well said. Mas okay na tayo dito sa loob. Check natin labas. Okay lang? So, let's go.
Tough long battery. Tough and long lasting.
So, usapang exterior tayo. Ano meron dito ba? Sige po.
Ayun. So, as you can see over here, yung design pa lang, gugulatin ko kayo, ang main designer ni BYD is Wolfgang Ecker. So, technically, if i-search nyo siya ang designer ng mga European brands. So, kaya medyo European-inspired siya. Ito, medyo Lambo.
Lambo nga, no? Tama.
Parang Lamborghini.
Okay.
So, ito yung nakaset up na concept ng BYD Seagull.
Okay.
Mugs, para mas makita nila yung potential. Ayan, naka-mugs na siya, naka-body kit, naka-spoiler. Ayan, naka-spoiler na siya dito. Kaya medyo aggressive and sporty talaga siya.
Oo nga, talagang ano, no? Nakita mo yung kagandahan sa kanya.
Yes, like may gaganda pa pala siya.
Oo, okay. So, to. Boss, ito, regarding sa mga kulay natin, ano ang mga available colors natin?
So, we have 3 different colors. We have the Pricity White, we have the Sprout Green, and then we have the Black.
Okay, yan. Ang gaganda ng mga kulay, mga auto. Okay, that's it. Boss, ako, excited na ako. Usapang engine tayo. Marami tayong dapat malaman dyan. So, tara, check na natin. Okay, usapang engine bay tayo. Sir Pao, ano meron dito po? Sige po.
Alright, so since this is a full electric, it doesn't come with engine, but meron tayong motor. This is where the magic happens. We call it all the, ito yung pinaka 18-1 powertrain natin.
Okay.
Nandito na lahat, like the powertrain, nandito yung BMS or battery management system. So, dito na sila lahat. Then the motor is over here. Siyempre, usapang power.
Okay, boss.
This one has 71 horsepower and it has 135 Newton meter of torque.
Boss, ito, regarding sa mga charging, gaano ba katagal para ma-full ba itong EV natin, itong Seagull natin, boss? Sige po.
Alright, for this one, kapag bumili kayo ng one of our vehicles sa BYD, it comes already with a wall charger na tinatawag. That's a 7 kilowatt charger. And then we also have a portable charger na nasa 220 volts na charger siya. So first, dun sa AC charging natin or sa wall charger natin, you can charge up to 5 hours lang sa kanya from 0 to 100, of course.
Okay.
And then of course, meron tayong portable charger. So yung portable charger naman natin, syempre dahil 220 volts lang yon, kaya mag-charge yun up to probably 15 hours to charge it. Dahil syempre may kalakihan and those are for emergency purposes na.
Oo, kumbaga yun yung dala-dala mo, boss, eh, no? Grabe, no? Kasama na yun sa binayaran mo, Sir
Kasama
Pao.
yun sa binayaran. We
Oh,
also have a DC charger.
Okay.
So yun yung prepare ni Ayala or ni AC Mobility for you to charge faster than the regular charging. This one can charge up to 30 to 40 minutes lang to charge this Seagull. Ganun siya kabilis.
Ganun kabilis, no?
Fast charging na rin tayo ngayon.
Oh, grabe rin talaga, no? Ito mga kauto, yan yung ano mismo. Parang outlet eh, no? Ayan, no? Diyos ko, grabe.
Meron pa tayong isang special feature, sir.
Okay.
So we call it the V2L or vehicle to load. So what happens there? Ito, meron tayong isang device na ang dulo nito is regular 220 outlet. Yung 30 kilowatts mo na battery mo, pwede mong gamitin as your main generator. Like what I said kanina.
Grabe, no?
So kapag nag-outing kayo at walang kuryente sa lugar na yon, you can literally use the battery system of your Seagull as your main generator.
Oh.
Malabas yung kuryente.
Power bank mga kauto, no? May kotse ka na, may power bank ka pa. Bagay ito sa mga nagka-camping, eh, no? Mga taga-outland, yung mga gusto mong lagi nasa labas. Eh, mga, ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng kukulay. Sir Pao, syempre, usapang presyo tayo. Anong presyo ng
So the
Seagull
BYD Seagull is around 938,000 pesos. But when you purchase it here or when you reserve here at Mias, we have an exclusive discount for 40,000. So magiging 898,000 na lang siya.
Sir, thank you. I'm sure you're very busy. Syempre, promote na tayo ng BYD natin, boss.
You can follow the BYD Cars Philippines page natin para sa mga promos and mga, syempre, para makita natin kung magkano pa yung offer nila. And of course, meron tayong ilo-launch na Sila Yun 7 this coming May. Para follow nyo lang si BYD Cars PH. And of course, my Instagram, Paulo Verzon. Follow nyo lang ako.
Yan, well said. Okay, so ano ba? Okay, guys, bang answer, Paulo Verzon, product specialist. Syempre, usapang BYD tayo mga tayo. This is Auto Culture.